What's up, squad? Thanks for stopping back by the channel. It's your boy Trey, aka Daddy C. Happy Air Max Day. That's what the day is, right? 326. We're going to talk about today's Air Max drops and the coverage for the day. You know, this big event. We're going to talk about some W's and some L's that have just been the last week or so. And we're going to talk about a mail call that I got today. But before we unpack all that, do me a quick favor, hit the notification bell down below so you can stay on top of the content as we drop it. Make sure you sub up to the channel if you vibe with the content, man. Love the growth that we're seeing, a lot of engagement, a lot of comments and conversations we're having here on this platform as well as across the socials at IG, Twitter, TikTok, at Real Daddy C. Make sure you follow me on all the socials. A lot of good content, a lot of good conversation that goes on there. All right, so today again, like I said, Air Max Day. I don't know if it was a huge celebration, big 326. We saw a small drop today of the dot swoosh unofficial Donkey Kong. They call it the big head, whatever that shoe is called, but it's a dope shoe, right? You got the polygon shape, video game dot swoosh Air Max 1 with the big bubble in the Donkey Kong colorway. Of course, again, like I said, it's not an official collab with Donkey Kong and their makers, but it has the fuzzy brown, that yellow, and the red. Dope shoe. That sneaker dropped with less than 4,000 pairs on the sneakers app this morning. So it wasn't really, for the masses. And again, we've heard and we've seen so far, everything that's dropping, man, is going to be fairly limited this year, right? Nike and the new CEO said they're gonna, change the whole story up, right? Change the narrative of all these pairs sitting and 300,000 pair production on every release. So it's gonna be a Hunger Games this year, man. This year's gonna be tough. So that shoe drop, I entered for a friend. So a lot of friends entered. I don't think I saw one W from a person I know personally. Saw a few on like X and stuff like that, but definitely not many. A lot of L's. I think my IG poll I posted it, how did you do? WL, it's all L's. But anyway, Air Max Day. Is it as big a thing as we want it to be or as it should be? I feel like the last few years we've got, the big bubble, of course, that released with the red and gray Air Max 1, was it 2 years ago with the 326 on the tongue, right? They were really, putting that as the capstone of the Air Max drop. Last year they did another one. I want to say it was the blue color, I think, blue with that Volt colored outsole. And then this year, we got that Donkey Kong collab type shoe that wasn't really an Air Max Day. We released on Air Max Day, but it didn't have any Air Max, messaging behind it. And we really don't see a lot from Nike about Air Max Day, at least this go round. I've seen it from other outlets like Foot Locker. I've seen JD Sports. They're online at, talking about Air Max Day and doing some releases there in store. But I think it's just a new product that they have because we know there are a lot of pairs and a lot of Air Max in stores right now. Anyway, that last couple of weeks have been tough. I've been a little bit out of the video cycle, just taking some L's, right? The Nigel 4 brick by brick did not fall my way. But I did hit on another coveted pair that was dropping around that same time. We're gonna get into that in a moment. But yeah, so I don't know, how have y'all been doing? Have you been copping everything you wanted? I know there's been a lot of things dropping here and there, like we had the Cool Ray 9s and some other pairs that I just wasn't really feeling, man. Wasn't trying to get my hands on. Flu Game 12s, right? Those were a thing a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, how'd y'all do? Did you get W's on those? Were any of those on your list for 2025? I know the streets went kind of crazy, and we know there's been a lot of craziness out in the lines and in the stores and things like that over the last few weeks. I've kind of been out of that mix altogether. We saw the Alma Mater Air Jordan 3, their raffle just finished up the last, I think it was Monday? W's were going out for that shoe. Another shoe, as much as I love Alma Mater, if you've been here before, I love their releases and have all their 3s and their 4s so far. I'm chilling on that one right now just because I think, just what they've been doing over the last few releases. In another month or so, those pairs will be reduced in price and I'll pick it up. So it wasn't a big rush to grab. And it was just other things that I wanted at the time too. So that's that. With all of that, I'm gonna get right into what we got coming up. We are getting into the end of March, beginning into April. We know that we have things like the Kobe 8s dropping next month. We've got, Yudo Horigami, that was the color called Matcha, is dropping soon. It's not it's not asparagus. That pair is coming out soon. We got the Black History Month SBs. I want to say those got pushed to May, I think. And I know we got the Obsidian Lows. They were pushed back a week, so I think they dropped this actually at this upcoming weekend. And we just also got just more confirmation that the Nike SB4 Navy is dropping on sneakers in the middle of April as well. So April's gonna be crazy as well for the pockets, man. Of course, that's just a small smidgen of what's to drop. All right, so speaking of the Nike SB4 Navy, just got a mail call today. Shout out to the good folks at CCS. This is a pair, because I have military blue Air Jordan 4s. I wasn't like super, amped that these were an absolute must cop. I mean, I have the pine green 4s as well, so I did want these for the, the completion. Of course, when you get a pack, you want both. But because I don't wear my military blues that much, I was like, if I miss on these, I miss on them. It's all good. But the good folks at CCS said, we got you, fam. So here we go. So basic box that came in. And here we are, y'all. Sale box, just like the SB4 Pine Green. As you see there. The label on this one, size 11. Nice and crisp. Label on that says Air Jordan 4 Retro SP Summit White and Navy. Alright, so we're just going to get right into it. I'm not going to do a whole lot of coverage of this shoe. We've been seeing it. It's dropped. Skate shops, and we know the sneakers release, like I said, is coming up. Basic inside of the box, nothing in there, no lot numbers or anything like that. It's my packing slip. Don't want that out there on the net. But the cement tissue paper, basic. Very nice, very nice. Looks like it also has a layer of white paper under here as well. Try not to, oh wait a minute, these actually I think come wrapped in the paper. Yeah, Nike's doing this new thing now where they, instead of the separate tissue paper, they just wrap the shoe. So this is wrapped up. All right, nice. All right, bam, y'all. Very nice, very clean. You gotta have that heel. This is the thing that does it for me on this shoe is the Nike SB on the heel collar. That heel tab is dope. Got that low toe box in the front. Yes, sir. Beautiful. I do like the navy color though. This is a nice, and this is soft and rubbery, just like we have on the SB4 Pine Greens and the new revamped Air Jordan 4s, right? You got the suede around the toe cap, that mud guard, the netting, and this is white where the pine green is more of a sail color. Got that gum sole added to the bottom, of course. And inside the air bubble is actually red, if you can see that. Very nice pair. This is a pair, I mean, it's definitely super wearable. And I don't know, I was kind of the mind when I got these. I'm like, man, this could be a pair that I trade for the Brick by Bricks. But these are definitely more wearable than the Brick by Bricks. But again, I have military blue 4s. Sit that there. Let me grab them. All right, so we got this, the SB Navy, and then we've got the military blue. Man, so similar. So similar, right? So similar. But the blue, this military blue is more of a royal, right? Some type of royal color. And this is a little more stiffer, but everything else, I mean, it's similar specs. The leather is definitely stiffer though on the military blue. And a lot of people complained about that. This leather here, this is a flat leather, no tumble, nothing like that at all. But I mean, nice shoe overall, right? And you compare that to the pine green and same leather, but just that sail color, man, makes a difference. Big difference in the way this shoe looks. Can you see both? Yeah. So I don't know. Which one do I like better? I like them both, man. I like them both. Very nice. Very nice pairs. What about you? Which color do you like better? The pine green or the navy? Both are dope, definitely. But anyway, we'll figure out what I do with these. I mean, I do love them. I like them a lot, I'll say that. I'm not a skater, obviously. They're not getting skated. But anyway, glad to get these in the collection. We're going to see if these are going to just stay at home or if these are going to be a means to another pair. But again, shout out to the good folks at CCS. I'm glad to hit on these. I hit on CCS for these as well as the Wizard of Oz Nike SBs. So the moral of the story is make sure you do your raffles, right? If you see them, do them. You never know where the W's going to come from. Depending on sneakers is not foolproof because we know sneakers is tough, especially with these things being limited and draws, etc., etc., etc. So that's all I got for y'all today, man. Next thing, we got new things on the way. More pairs, more drops coming. We're going to be doing some reviews and talking about some of the drops and how things are going. And I'm going to do let me know if you want to see something talking about the state of sneakers coming up soon. Because I know overall, things like this limiting of shoes is making a lot of people more angry and driving a lot of people to feel like they just need to just support other brands since Nike wants to limit production and limit their access to W's. So we'll talk about all that and more, y'all. Thanks for sticking around, hanging out with your boy. I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.